Right now, it feels like your world is collapsing. Your wife is distant, cold, silent, and you can feel all of that in your gut like a knife. She's not looking at you the same. She's not texting back. She's not reaching for you anymore. And your gut tells you exactly what's happening. She's pulling away. And that ache that you feel in your chest, that rising anxiety in your stomach, it's the fear of loss, the fear of rejection, the fear that no matter how hard you try, you're about to lose everything. Hi, I'm Charlie McKeever, your Happy Men coach, and here's what most men do next. When a woman pulls away, most men react the same way with panic. They chase, they over-explain, they beg, they collapse, and they turn into someone that they don't even recognize, someone who's no longer leading, someone who's desperately trying to keep the peace instead of holding power. But here's what I teach the men that I work with. Your panic isn't proof that you love her, it's proof that you've outsourced your worth. When her distance becomes your identity, you stop being the man who attracted her in the first place. And now, without even realizing it, you've made her responsible for your confidence, your clarity, your peace. And that's a heavy burden for a woman to carry. No woman feels safe when she becomes the emotional authority in a relationship. And here's what strong men do instead. They don't beg, they don't rage, they don't collapse into tears and withdraw in silence. They pause, they breathe, they listen, and they lead. They get still enough to ask the hard questions. Who am I being right now? Am I leading with truth or reacting with fear? What would be the grounded version of me? What would I do here? When she pulls away, it doesn't always mean it's over, but it is a test, not from her, but from life. And the men who pass that test, they come out stronger. They come out wiser, more attractive, more connected to themselves and the truth that you're not broken, not helpless, that you're ready for a new kind of strength. And I can help lead you through this storm with clarity, calm, and purpose. Go to happymancoaching.com and book a private Happy Man coaching call with me. And let's cut to the heart of what's really going on and get clear about what you really want for yourself in your marriage. After the call, I guarantee you that you will feel calmer and more grounded. I'll also introduce you to a community of men because remember, you're not alone. I'll also tell you how you can join our weekly group call so we can talk about these important things so that you can get the clarity that you need in order to be grounded and to lead the relationship again. So go to happymancoaching.com, book that call, and I'll talk to you soon.